Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Talk Nova channel. In this video, we are going to talk about simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to talk about action that happen in future, not in present. It shows action happened in future, not in present. Shows is giving the some examples and structure.
Okay, so let's start. I give a structure and example of simple future tense. Subject plus will plus verb plus object. This is the structure of simple future tense. I give 2 to 3 example of simple future tense. Okay, they will go to school tomorrow. She will cook food today. He will play cricket in evening. That's the example of simple future tense.
Okay, and in negative future tense we use subject plus will not, and we use want also, but commonly people use will, and subject plus base verb object, and lastly we add object. So what is the example of negative sentence? Can you please give me 2 to 3 examples of negative sense? Use not.
I give a 2 to 3 example of negative simple future tense. Okay, will you help me? Will I talk to you later?
Is it maybe is it interrogative sentence, right? I am
Yeah.
asking you a negative sentence like I won't eat an apple, she won't reading a book, like this. Okay, so she is giving the interrogative example. Sometimes we mix because of tenses. Tense is most uh, big chapter, I think. And will use for future actions. Can we use? Lot of people use shall, but commonly people use will in simple future tense. But in simple future tense, will, when we use will, you use base verb first form like eat, go, play, watch, this kind of thing. Okay, so negative sentence we can use a lot of, make a lot of examples also. He will not come tomorrow to attend the party, we won't watch TV tonight, lots of examples. And when it comes to interrogative tense, we put will in beginning, and then will plus object plus base verb, and we put will at beginning. Will you play cricket tomorrow? Will he come to the party? That kind of things. Okay, so bye bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye.